Uber Eats is one of those platforms that seems very cheap on the surface, but when you start to add up your order, you get a Big Mac combo meal over here, then some fries, and boom, out of nowhere, the price goes all the way up to $25 just to get it delivered. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Uber Eats for 100% free, so you don't have to pay these crazy prices. Let's go. Hey guys, Shifter Reviews here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over every single working method on how to get Uber Eats for 100% free. I'm super excited to make this video because I literally just came back from Uno's Pizzeria and I literally got it for free, so I'm going to go over everything that you need to know about this. And the best part is it works with any restaurant as long as they're on Uber Eats. So let's go and dive into the first method. For our first method, all you have to do is click the link that's going to be down in the pinned comment section below, and you're going to be brought to a page looking exactly like this. Then click the button that says get $750 credits. Then you'll be brought to a page looking exactly like this. And all you have to do is follow the steps for about 5 minutes and you'll be rewarded $750 in Uber Eats gift cards. And the best part is you could literally redeem this and use it on whatever you want. You can use it on alcohol. You guys could also use it on groceries as well. So I highly recommend that you do take advantage of this. It's going to be down in the pinned comment section below. But let's move on to the next method, which is going to be the new account method. This one is very simple to pull off. All you have to do is sign up for a brand new Uber Eats account, and if it asks you for a brand new number, you can actually use a VoIP one. You can use a Google Voice. You can actually just type in Google Voice into the App Store or Google Play Store, and you're going to sign up for a Google Voice number, and that'll be your new number for Uber Eats. Once you have your account, all you have to do is fill your cart up with $25 worth of items. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So I got this $33 order. All we have to do is click on View Cart. We're going to go to the checkout just like that. We're going to say no thanks to all these extra offers, and what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where it's going to say promo code. Once you get to this page right here, you want to type the promo code that's going to be down in the description below, and the best part is this is going to be working forever. So all you have to do is type in the code and you're going to be able to get yourselves $15 off a $25 order, making the total only $10 if you go ahead and pick it up. That's typically what I do, but you can also get it delivered, meaning that you can get really cheap food over and over again just by rinsing and repeating this method. This is the one that I typically use, and as you guys can see right here, I have a bunch of different coupons from doing the method. Very simple, and anybody can go ahead and do it. But I know you guys are probably saying to yourselves, that's not 100% free, and don't worry, I actually got you. All you have to do is simply sign up for the app called Add-a-Poll. You're going to simply download it from the Google Play or App Store, and once you have it installed, it's going to look something like this. I already have made $200 inside of my balance, and that's not all that I have made. I made over $2,000 using this app, and I want to go ahead and put you guys on. So when you guys are signing up, you want to sign up with the code dbfcm for a free 50 cents. It doesn't sound like a lot of money, but trust me guys, it definitely adds up when you are actually making a lot of money. So definitely take the 50 cents. But right here, it's going to be my $200 balance. Let's go ahead and redeem it. We have a bunch of different options to redeem. We have Amazon gift cards, we have PayPal, we have pretty much everything. We have Subways, like every single type of gift card. I'm kind of shocked at them actually stepping up their game on the gift cards, meaning that this app is doing really good, and a lot of people are actually using it, me included. One thing that I do like about this app is their minimum payout is going to be very low at $3. Only $3 in order to get a payout. So if you guys are unable to go and earn with this app, I already gave you 50 cents. I don't know what you guys are doing wrong, but the surveys don't take long at all. They only take a few minutes, and you can make some really good money simply by filling out the surveys. But be careful guys, you do not want to go and spam the answers, because a lot of times people will get on here and say like, oh hey, this is one answer, and they'll just click, and then out of nowhere they get disqualified, and it's mainly because there's speed traps in the way. They're basically anticipating people actually lying about their answers. So be very truthful about it, look into it, and make sure that you're answering truthfully so you do not get kicked off the app. But it's very easy to go ahead and earn money with this, and I highly recommend tapping in. And just to prove it to you guys that this app actually pays out, here's my full payment history, meaning that this has actually been going on for a while. I've been getting paid for a few months now, and I can keep withdrawing the money over and over again. And the best part is this app will pay you out instantly. Let me show you. And we are processing the request just like that. We were able to go ahead and get our cash directly to our PayPal balance. And literally just like that, you can see I have $270 in my balance, and Adapole actually did end up paying me out. Very easy stuff in order to make money on this app, and you keep doing it over and over again. So I highly recommend that you check out Adapole if you guys haven't already, but I know a lot of you guys on the channel have done so already because this app definitely pays. But what also pays is going to be the app called Eureka. You guys can find it in the Google Play and App Store simply by typing in Eureka, and you'll come across an app looking like this. Once you have it installed, open it up, and you want to head up to the top left hand corner just like this, and you're going to type in the code GUDW4I, because that code is going to be giving you a free $1 survey when you sign up. This is why I recommend it, because it's the easiest way to make money. So I literally gave you guys about $16.50 of free knowledge right now, because we did the $15 coupon, we did the $1 survey on Eureka, and the 50 cents bonus on Adapole, meaning that you're already up $16.50, making this a no-brainer to type in all these codes. But take a look at some of their surveys, very similar to Adapole. They actually do have a nicer UI, that's why I like them a little bit more. But if you take a look at the top right, I have already made $38, and I barely use this app. And what I like about this app is it does have a lot of payment methods, even more than Adapole, meaning that you have more versatility when it comes down to your payments. You have Best Buy, you have PlayStation, you have Google Play, you have Panera Bread, you have Starbucks, you have Walmart, you guys name it, it's going to be on here. And you also do have the option to donate to charity, meaning that these are honestly some of the best apps that I actually like to go ahead and use. But the only downside with Eureka compared to Adapole is Adapole has a $3 minimum payout, when Eureka on the other hand actually has $5 minimum payout, meaning that you're going to probably be stuck here for a little bit longer trying to actually get your payout, unfortunately. So, but honestly, it doesn't really matter because you're making so much money anyways. And for the last method I want to introduce to you guys, it's going to be through affiliate marketing. Unfortunately, Uber and Uber Eats doesn't have an official affiliate marketing portal. I really wish they did, because I would honestly be up about $20,000 by now how much I actually promoted this app. You actually can go over to the far right tab, and you're going to find a section called Invite Friends, just like that. Click it, then you'll be brought to a page looking exactly like this. This is pretty much where you can invite your friends to earn money. You'll actually get $15 off a $20 order, meaning that it's pretty lucrative, especially for pickup orders. So let's say I had a $20 meal and I get $15 off. I'm only going to be paying $5 for food, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. And I'm very thankful for all the discounts I have gotten on food, because I typically get it delivered and I'm getting meals for around $10 to $12. But one thing that you may want to go ahead and tap into is actually recommending it to your friends and family members. This is one of the easiest ways to save money on Uber Eats, because most people are actually not on Uber Eats. They may be on DoorDash, they may be on Grubhub, but if you get them to sign up and they place their first order of $25 and above, you'll be able to go and get a coupon of $15, and you can actually use it on any restaurant that you want. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with groceries, so keep that in mind, but only restaurants. But you'll be able to go ahead and save a lot of money on your Uber Eats order. And one more thing I almost forgot is going to be the UberOne subscription. If you guys are not tapping into this, then you're probably missing out. Essentially, what UberOne does is it gives you discounts on the taxes and fees. I found on average that I'm saving $3 or more on Uber Eats every single time that I order. So if I order about 12 times per month, that's going to be $36 that's back in my pocket. Very simple. So I can't recommend buying UberOne enough, because it's only $10 a month. And the best part is you're going to be getting a free trial if it's your first time. And if you want to cancel the UberOne subscription, they're going to offer you 3 months at a 90% discount, meaning that it's very, very cheap to get your hands on UberOne. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and were able to go to get yourself some free Uber Eats. I know I was able to, and I've been doing this method for about 2 years now, and anybody can do it. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.